Hello everyone, this is ResTech, and today we're going to do a quick review of the Sonicwall Tz 2650. This firewall is perfect for a small to medium-sized business that wants to secure their network with some really amazing features. We were installing this for a client, but want to do a quick review of this product to show everyone some of its key features and functions. Let's get started. The Sonicwall Tz 2650 offers anti-malware, anti-spamware protection against DDoS attacks, deep packet inspection, DHCP server and relay, DNS proxy, intrusion prevention, load balancing, NAS support, quality service, VPN support, and several other key features. We wanted to go over these because these were some of the features that we found our clients were asking for or requested. It does offer other things like content filtering, GEO filtering, and much more with the purchase of the correct package from Sonicwall. So yes, you do have to purchase the actual device, then you have to purchase a subscription. They offer 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, I think. However, if you have an old Sonicwall or an old firewall, you can almost get the actual Sonicwall for free and just pay for the subscription, which is a really great deal. Normally we use these Sonicwall with Cisco switches at our client's location, unless they have specific requirements for other hardware. These products do allow you to run VLANs and set up very secure networks in a small amount of time once you know what you're doing. As far as the hardware is concerned, it has 15 RJ45 ports for SFP connections to USB 3.0 ports. It comes with one power supply, but you can purchase and install another, and an expansion for an M2 memory stick. This hardware can truly handle a heavy load and is a great option for businesses that have a decent amount of users. If you're thinking about purchasing this product, we would highly suggest it. Just make sure that you purchase the right Sonicwall for your business or for your client's business needs. Some businesses could get away with a TZ400. It all just depends on the workload that's going to be on this device. Overall, it is a great firewall. We will try to make a few videos about programming this firewall here in a little bit, but we just want to do a quick review on it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let us know. If you like this video, make sure to hit that sub button. If not, sorry. Next time, we'll work on it. Thank you for watching.